The anti-lock braking system, ABS, is an important safety feature in vehicles designed to prevent the wheels from locking up during braking. It allows the driver to maintain steering control while reducing the braking distance. Here's how the ABS works. Wheel speed sensors. The ABS system utilizes wheel speed sensors to monitor the rotational speed of each wheel. These sensors provide real-time information to the ABS control module. ABS control module. The ABS control module receives input from the wheel speed sensors and continuously monitors the rotational speed of each wheel. Brake pressure modulation. When the ABS control module detects that a wheel is about to lock up, it rapidly modulates the brake pressure to that specific wheel. It achieves this by using a hydraulic system and solenoid valves. Pulsating brake pressure. The ABS control module reduces and increases the brake pressure rapidly, which creates a pulsating effect. This pulsating pressure allows the tire to maintain traction with the road surface, preventing it from skidding. Steering control. By preventing wheel lockup and maintaining traction, the ABS enables the driver to maintain control of the vehicle during emergency braking or on slippery surfaces. It allows the driver to steer around obstacles while still applying maximum braking force. It's important to note that while ABS is a valuable safety feature, it does not necessarily decrease the stopping distance. Its primary function is to prevent wheel lockup and allow for steering control during braking, which can be especially beneficial in emergency situations. It's recommended to familiarize yourself with the specific ABS operation and functionality of your vehicle by referring to the owner's manual or consulting with a qualified automotive professional.